This 6-week intergenerational project begins with students interviewing English-speaking seniors to learn about some of the ways in which they have helped to shape Quebec society. Their stories form the basis for the creation of a comic zine made by students, with guidance from professional artists Laurence Dion or Scott McLeod. The project involves 5 steps. Step 1. Get inspired. The artist meets with students online to show examples of their work and pull back the curtain on how comics and graphic novels are created, inspiring students to embark on a mission to tell a story from their own community. Step 2. Prepare for interviews. In this step, students work in teams of 3 to prepare to interview a senior in the community. During this step, students reflect on and discuss the relationships between community, service, and belonging using questions from the I Belong question guide. Step 3. Students conduct interviews. Students talk with seniors over the phone or over the internet to ask questions about a moment in time when the seniors contributed in a big or small way to Quebec society or the local community. Students are encouraged to record the interview and take notes. Step 4. Create a comic that tells a story. Over 3 one-hour sessions, Scott and Laurence will lead students through a process of creating a comic that tells the story of the senior interviewed by students. Stories will be pulled together to form a comic zine, a collection of short stories that can be shared widely and cherished for years to come. Step 5. Celebrate. Students show off their work and share the final product with participating seniors and the broader community. The Comic Zine project meets curricular goals in English language arts and arts education. Students will be creative, collaborate, and engaged in authentic issues of belonging and identity within the community. In ELA, students will write, represent literacy in different media, talk to communicate and learn, and follow a production process. In visual arts, students produce works of art and appreciate works of art, media, and the personal productions of classmates. Space is limited. Register using the link below